fans, and today we're at my house and we are having our puppies their first bath. Right, Auntie?
Yeah.
Look at her. She's adorable. She's like, what are you doing to me? You are cussing me. This is a girl and she is a light gray brown. Pretty color. Oh, she doesn't like that, Auntie. What are you trying to get out?
Cereal?
What? There's cereal in her hair? Oh, and she's looking at the camera. She's too cute. Time to brush out this coat. Oh, she's like, what? Look at my head. This video's too cute to be true. Well, it is true. He. Brush, brush, brushity brush. All that cereal's out of her hair. Now time for the belly. Brush, brush, brushity brush, brush. It's the neck. Isn't she just... Shut up, Neville. Stop. Puppy's getting rinsed. Isn't she pretty? Just need to get this. That seems perfect. Look at that head. I'm gonna try to keep it away. The camera's way as off. I'm like, oh yeah, it's clogged, dude. There's the soap we're using. Cute. Oh my gosh, look at her pretty coat. Now it's time to wash her. Dryer, I mean. Ba-ba-ba-boom. Auntie, what? You're too cute. You look like Mrs. Claus, but with orange hair, to tell you the truth. Now it's time to blow dryer. See that blow dryer? We're gonna blow dryer in here. But we need to put down the towel first. Only if I can balance the camera perfectly on there. Right second. Be right back.
Come on, you're in the way. I get this.
Sally, kuna kena. She's so fluffy. Evil devil. Evil devil. Yeah, get that food. Still going. anniversary. Ba-ba-ba-boo. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-boo. Okay, that my aunt's still drying her, but we're gonna come back when the next puppy is. Yeah. Woo! Turtle! Next puppy we're gonna be doing is this beautiful Merle. Let's go. The puppy grandma is gonna clean her again. Would you like help? Cause she's squirmy, you know. Look at her nails. Cut. Hits my nail.
Stop it.
Pup, it's having some difficulties.
No.
She's like, I'm dead. I am dead, yo.
You don't want to hold the damn thing.
Never told me. She's bleeding.
Well.
It's her fault. Don't we have some of that yellow powder for it?
Stop.
We had some difficulties, but now we're back. She almost killed herself. I hate that soap, it's old. Rub, rub, a rubby, rubby, rub. Doesn't that feel good? She's crying herself out. Hop, hop, hop. Auntie, scrub that body. I hope this video can go on like 20 minutes. Ooh, soap. She's getting it all clean. Time to rinse. Ah, yeah, that feels good. Go. Oh, she's like, I'm threatened. That's a flea, right? Flea. The fleas are evil to us. Scrub that bitty. A flea again. You think the nails would be a pain in the butt. Oh, look at those paws. Look at those paws. She all clean? Time for the dry. Let's get her. What? Whoosh. Ah, you're all dry. Actually, she isn't all dry. We need the evil blow dryer. For now, let's focus on the puppy. Scrub that girl good. Yeah, that dog is screaming its life for it. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Why is she so squirmy? An owl. Mommy is embarrassing. Boom. Da, 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 da. I am still filming a video. So yeah, our puppy Our puppy is still getting blow dried, as you know. But right now, we're taking a break. Ooh, our washer. No, it's a zebra. I'll be back when I get the next puppy. Next puppy we have is a black and white girl. Isn't she pretty? Come here, girl. Good girl. There's a pee spot. Auntie, there's a pee spot in the thing. Here you go. Here he is. Oh, she's so pretty. We're keeping all three. No, only the 2 merles only. This one's gonna be a squirmer. We'll be back when we're back to the tub. Okay, this puppy made a turd. Push out the hair. Aw, that's good. A sesame cat. A sesame cat. A pro, no dog food. Cake. JK, candle. Paradise. Crates. Evil. Silver, ginger, and brush. Newspaper and tubs. Towels. Treats. Blankets. More blankets. Soap. I know you guys can't see it. Ginger and Rush. Puppy getting soap on. Why do you need it out low, though?
What?
Why do you need it out low?
So it doesn't splatter.
Well, I bathed Toto by myself.
Oh, she shit again.
I smelled poop. She has a poop. I can't breathe. There's more poop. Yeah, golden flowers, yo. Mommy! Dog pillow. Dog run. Fat pin. Chandelier. My room. Dog. Jacuzzi. Garage. Table. Puppy that turds too much. I wish I can get that on video.